perfumes to make him obsessed. You're wasting your perfume if it doesn't leave him thinking about you all night. But what if your scent had him hooked from the very first hug? Therefore, let me show you the secret. These aren't just perfumes, they are obsession triggers. You wear perfume to feel seen, you want to feel magnetic, but you spray and go and nothing happens. No spark, no chase, no second look when he passes by. You deserve more than nice. What if one scent could flip that switch and hit spray? But not in a loud, desperate way. In a stop thinking about you, can't stop thinking about you way. Therefore, let's shift the energy. One spray, one moment, and it's yours. Here's what makes an obsession perfume. Sweet, addictive, uninspected. Look for warm notes like vanilla, patchouli, and praline, and floral edges that linger, not shout. Spray where the skin heats up naturally, like behind the ears, on the chest, in the hair, and let it do the work for you. That's seduction, the smart way. You've tried trendy perfumes, but they fade. You deserve a signature scent that haunts in the best way. Therefore, don't just wear something pretty. Wear what he'll remember. At AmeRu, we craft obsession-worthy fragrances. I've picked scents that feel like velvet, taste like dessert, and last like a whisper on the skin. He won't know what hit him, but you will. Ready to turn heads and hearts. Therefore, don't settle for the invisible. Tap the link in the bio and find your obsession perfume today. He will be hooked, but you will be in control. Try these obsession triggers. Scandal by Night by Jean-Paul Gaultier. A honey-drenched, cherry-rich, with creamy white florals and a powdery base. It's addictive, it's sultry, and it has the don't go home yet energy. Oh, it's nice. Inspired by Black Opium by YSL. Dark vanilla coffee. Oh, with soft vanilla and white florals. This is a date night in confidence. In a bottle, hypnotic. Oh, and sexy. Next, Inspired by Classique Intense by Jean-Paul Gaultier. It's pomegranate, tire flower. Oh, and rich vanilla. Feminine, bold, and completely unforgettable. Ready to pay less than R7 for 100ml bottle? Tap the link in the bio, plus like and share, and don't forget to comment. Let your scent do the talking. I'll see you in the next one.